friends, welcome to today's video. So today's question is, if X is the brother of the son of Y's son, how is X related to Y? So what is the given question? This is our first question on blood relations. So before we proceed with this question, let me give you some basic notations. In blood relations questions, we are going to solve by using diagrams. So I'll just give you some representations. For males, we'll be using plus, and for females, we'll be using minus. Then in order to represent husband-wife relation, we can use like this, a double-headed arrow. If it is a sibling relationship, we can use a single line. If it is a father-son or parents relationship, mother-son, mother-daughter, likewise some relationship means we'll be using vertical lines. Okay, so vertical lines will be representing different generations. If it is a horizontal line, both of them will be belonging to the same generation, so they will be siblings, brother, sister, brother, brother, and vertical line will be representing generations. So these are the different representations. So as we go on doing questions, you will be thorough with this. For these type of questions, we have to trace from backward. So we have to start from here, Y's son. Every time these type of questions, we have to start from the end and we have to trace backwards. So Y's son means Y and Y's son. So this is Y's son. So Y's son is plus. Okay. Y we don't know. We don't know whether Y is a male or female. So we are not representing anything here. So Y's son can be represented by this diagram. So S is representing son here. So Y's son, X is the brother of the son of Y's son. So Y's son, son of Y's son. So this is son of Y's son. Then brother is this one, X is the brother, so X will come here. Then how is X related to Y? So that is the given question. How is X related to Y? So here you can see that S and X are of the same generation, so S is a grandson of Y, so X is also a grandson of Y. So here the answer is X is the grandson of Y. So this is our answer to this question. Second question. Amit introduces Shah saying, he is the father of the granddaughter of the father of my father. How is Shah related to Amit? So don't be afraid seeing these kind of long questions, and if you are trying to reread it, then it will be more and more confusing. So every time you remember, you just trace from backwards. So here you have to trace from backwards. So my father, so Amit is introducing, so it is Amit father. So Amit and Amit's father is here. Father of my father. Okay, so here again grandfather of Amit is coming. He is the then granddaughter of the father of my father. So granddaughter means here it will come. So granddaughter is here. Okay. Then father of the granddaughter. Father of the granddaughter means he will come here. So Shah will come here. Okay. Then how is Shah related to Amit? So here you can see that Shah will be Amit's father's brother. So these two people are coming in the same generation. So Shah is Amit's father's brother. So actually Shah is Amit's uncle. Okay. So that is our answer. Shah is Amit's uncle. Now third question. Amit introduces Shah saying he is the husband of the granddaughter of the father of my father. How is Shah related to Amit? Okay, only a slight difference is there. So let's start again. So Amit is introducing my father. So we have to start from backwards. So Amit, then father of my father. So again grandfather of Amit is coming. Okay, so when you are tracing from backwards, it becomes very easy. So my father is Amit's father. Father of my father will be Amit's grandfather. Then granddaughter of the father of my father. So granddaughter will come here. So this is minus. You can put a sign always. Okay. Now, he is the husband of the granddaughter is given. So, husband means Shah will come here. How is Shah related to Amit? So, that is the given question. So, these two people will be in the same generation. Amit and the granddaughter will be in the same generation. It's not clear whether they are siblings or not, because father may be having another brother or father is the only son, we don't know. So, Amit and the granddaughter are cousins. As of now, Amit and granddaughter are cousins and Shah is the husband of the granddaughter. So, how is Shah related to Amit? We can say like Shah is the brother-in-law of Amit. So, that is our answer. So, Shah is the brother-in-law of Amit. Next question. A girl introduced a boy as the son of the daughter of the father of her maternal uncle. The boy is girl's dash. So her maternal uncle. So there is a girl. So girl is having mother. So mother is represented by horizontal relationship. So mother, then uncle. Okay, uncle is mother's brother. That you have to be very clear. Maternal uncle means mother's brother. Maternal aunt means mother's sister. Likewise, paternal uncle means father's brother. So likewise also questions can come. You have to be very familiar with these kind of words. So maternal uncle is girl's mother's brother. Okay, so mother and brother are siblings. So horizontal line, and mother-daughter relationship is represented by the vertical line. Okay. So horizontal line means on the same generation, and vertical line are representing different generation. Now father of her maternal uncle. Okay, so here father is coming. So father of her maternal uncle, daughter of the father. So daughter of the father means again likewise it can come. So it can be the mother itself or it can come here. So we don't know whether it is sister or not. Then son of the daughter of the son of the daughter. So here son is coming. Son of the daughter of the father of her maternal uncle. So we have represented the diagram. You have to determine how is this boy and girl related. The boy is girl's dash. So suppose this sister. So we don't know whether she is the only daughter or not. Only daughter means this son can be girl's brother because there is an only daughter. So this minus will not come here. This will actually trace back to this minus itself. But it is not given whether it is only daughter or not. So a sister may be there. If a sister is there means it will be actually both are granddaughters of the same grandfather. So it can be like cousins will come. But here we can say it cannot be determined. It can be either brother or cousin. So our answer is it cannot be determined. It can be brother or cousin. So cannot be determined will be our answer because it's not clear whether she is the only daughter or she is the sister. So here only daughter or sister is not clear. So this boy can be either the brother of the girl or cousin. So cannot be determined will be our answer. Next question. Pointing out a photograph, Renu said he is the brother of the daughter of the wife of my husband. How is the man on the photograph related to Renu? So Renu is pointing out. So again we have to trace from backwards. These kind of questions, don't waste time reading the question again and again. It will be more confusing. So you just start from backwards. So wife of my husband. So that is me itself. Okay, that is Renu itself. Renu is telling. So wife of my husband is Renu itself. So daughter of the wife of my husband. Okay, so daughter. So daughter is coming. So let's write Renu here. That will be better. Okay, so Renu, so daughter of my husband. Okay, daughter is coming here. Brother of the daughter. Okay, so brother of the daughter means he will come here. Brother of the daughter. Then that much only. So it's over. So how is the man on the photograph related to Renu? So it will be son. Renu's son only. So very easily we got the answer. So don't read the question again and again. Just start from backwards. So here wife of my husband is me itself. Renu itself. Renu is telling wife of my husband. So it is Renu itself. So Renu's daughter, then daughter's brother. So that will be Renu's son. Next question. Pointing out a photograph, Sergeant tells his friend, she is the daughter of the only son of my father's wife. How is the girl in the photograph related to Sergeant? So here also my father's wife. So my father's wife will be my mother. So Sergeant is there. So Sergeant's mother. Okay. Now only son. She is the daughter of the only son. So only son means it is representing Sergeant itself. Okay. So Sergeant is the only son and she is the daughter of the only son. So she will come here. Now how is the girl in the photograph related to Sergeant? So she will be Sergeant's daughter. Okay, it's very easy. So this key to blood relation questions is that you have to practice it again and again. So here my father's wife, easily you can say it is your mother, and my husband's wife. So it is me itself. So just start from backwards and be very careful. My father's wife is my mother. So only son means it is representing to Sergeant itself, then Sergeant's daughter. Next question. Introducing a boy, a girl said, he is the son of the daughter of the father of my uncle. How is the boy related to the girl? Okay. So here also, starting from here, my uncle. My uncle can be my father's brother or my mother's brother. So it is not clear from here. Okay, so let's not write anything. Now father of my uncle. So father of my uncle will be my grandfather. So here my grandfather will be coming. It's a father of my uncle. Now daughter of the father of my uncle. So daughter will come here. Now son of the daughter. Okay, so son will come here. So here also same. Here how is the boy related to the girl? So here the boy can be either her cousin or brother. So here also two possibilities are there. So depending on options you have to write. So he can be either cousin or brother. So here also it's not clear. So when you are having, when it's not clear, like uncle is father's brother or mother's brother, means you can just leave it like that. Then you can see father of my uncle. So father of my uncle will be always representing grandfather. So directly grandfather will be coming. So daughter of grandfather, then son of the daughter. So here it will come. So these girl and boy are of the same generation. But it's not clear whether they are siblings or cousins. So cousin or brother will be the answer. So these were just basic questions. Now in the coming videos, we will going on to complex questions on blood relations. So keep on watching the playlist. Thank you for watching.